Hey guys, good morning. This is me Prachi and welcome back to my vlogs. So today is episode 3 of Meal Prep Sunday, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how my mom used to make the dosa idli batter at home, and how she taught me how to grind all these dal and rice together. So in today's video I'm making it very simple. So I'm just gonna meal prep this because later this upcoming week we are going out of town. So that's why I'm not preparing too much, just the dosa idli batter, so that I can give them quick breakfast or dinner, especially to Vivan because it's easy. इससे डोसा बना दिया और इडली बना दिए. So I just make one kind of batter. अगर मुझे डोसा बनाना हो तो मैं उसमें थोड़ा सा वाटर ऐड कर लेती हूँ एंड मेक इट लाइक अ फ्लोइंग कंसिस्टेंसी. अगर इडली बनानी होती तो आई यूज द सेम बैटर. आई वोंट पुट एनी वाटर टू इट. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, what I've done is last night I soaked dal and rice. So dal and rice ratio is 1:3. So 3 amounts of rice and 1 amount of dal, which is urad dal that I'm taking. So you can see, so I've taken half cup of urad dal and 1.5 cup of rice, 1:3 ratio. And in urad dal I just added 1 tablespoon of methi dana. So आपको दिख रहा होगा, you can see here कि it has methi dana soaked along with dal. So now I'm gonna use the same water. So what I'll do is I'll take out the excess of water from both dal and rice, and also, like, the key is कि आपको whatever amount of water you have to add it when you're grinding the dal rather than when you're grinding the rice, because that's what my mom used to tell me. So पहले I am grinding the rice. You can do either, but yeah, I'm grinding the rice first. So this is the soaked rice, and I've taken out the water from both rice and dal. And this is the mixer that I'm using. बहुत type of mixer आते हैं. You can use of your own choice, but I'm using whatever we have at home. So first thing first is we need to put the rice inside the grinder. And I'm doing that. So all the rice inside this, and I'm gonna add a little bit of water. So last night I washed it with 3 to 4 times, and then I'm using the same water because it's okay. I mean, this is all washed rice. You can use the same water, not a problem. So guys, we are both under the weather, me, Vivan and Kirti. And excuse me the noise, I'm gonna mute it. बीच में what I'll do is I'll pause it and I will check for the consistency. Yeah, it needs to be like semolina texture. So अभी हुआ नहीं है, rice especially. That's what she used to tell me. And dal I will tell you how we will do. But yeah, rice की consistency सूजी जैसी होनी चाहिए. Like okay, so you see, this is the consistency. You can see. Okay, so that is it. I will grind this for another 30 seconds and done. is done and I'm gonna show you कि इसकी consistency कैसी है. So when you dip your finger inside and take it out, you see it's like looks like barik suji ka texture. That means it is done. And in this you don't have to worry much about the water, but this is how it is for dal. So the dal is little bit tricky. So dal and methi dana I soaked together for more than 8 hours now, because last night around 11 मैंने इन्हें soak किया. मुझे और जल्दी भी I could have मुझे से grind कर देना था, but I was busy with other work. So yeah, do it like early morning so that you know it will get ferment easily by night, so that you can use it. But I have to use it starting from tomorrow, so I am grinding it now. So you see, this is it, and now I'm gonna put it in the mixer. I will add a very little of water, like literally little bit of water, and then start to mix it. So guys, good tip about this is how you will know कि ये it's done is you will start to see bubbles. Like right now, do you see any bubbles in it? No, you don't see any bubble. So what you will do is you will add a little bit water, okay, not too much, but a little bit of water, and grind it again. Okay, so now okay, I stopped again and let me show you. Do you see a little bit of bubbles in it? All these bubbles you see here? Okay, so this means it is partially done, because I wanted to add some more water. So I'll just add a little bit of water now, and I'll grind it again, and I will show you. The bubbles will increase in size. So wait. So check. Okay, you see the bubbles doubled or tripled in size. That is the sign that your dal is done. I mean, iski grinding done ho gayi hai. Now I will add it in the rice mixture. It's done. And now another key step is mix it well, like really mix it well. And if you want, you can add salt in it now itself. Usually my mom used to add it then and there itself, but if you don't want to add it now, you can add it later whenever you use it. Just add some salt and use it. But yeah, this is all about it. So this is how my mom taught me how to make dosa and idli batter, and usually I do this during summertime, because you know fermentation process becomes easy during summer. Winter also you can ferment these batter very easily. Just by wrapping the container around a blanket, or put it in a microwave, or put it in your oven, let the light switch on and let it rise for 8 to 10 hours, and then you can use it in making idlis and dosa. But yeah guys, this is all about it for my meal prep series for today. Like I said, we are going out, so I'm not preparing too much for this weekend because we'll be back on Sunday, and then yeah, so we'll do more cramming next Sunday. So yeah guys, this is all about for today. I hope you like watching my videos, and if you do like watching it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye and take care.